Take a moment to read the question. So f of x is the greatest integer of x squared minus 1 by 4 in the closed interval from minus half to plus 1. And we have to find out which among the given 4 options is correct for this function. So the first step would be to draw the graph of x squared minus 1 by 4, which is a parabola opening upwards and crossing the x-axis at the points minus half and plus half. Next, we draw the graph of the greatest integer of x squared minus 1 by 4, and we find that we have two line segments. Now looking at the first option, which says that f is discontinuous at exactly one point in the interval minus half to plus 1. Is that correct? Well, no, because when x is equal to 1 by 2, then the function is definitely discontinuous. And the function is also discontinuous from the right at the point x equals minus half. Looking at the second option, it says that the range of f is the three integers minus 1, 0 and plus 1. Is this correct? Well, again, looking at the graph, we can see that the range is actually just minus 1 and 0. So this is incorrect. The third option says that the function is constant in the interval from minus 1 by 4 to plus 3 by 4. Now we can see the graph and we can see very clearly that it's not a constant function at all. So this option is also incorrect. In the fourth option, we have to integrate this function multiplied with mod of x from minus half to plus 1. So we can integrate from minus half to 0, and in this interval mod of x is equal to minus x and f of x is equal to minus 1. Then we have to integrate from 0 to half, where mod of x is equal to x and f of x is equal to minus 1. And finally we have to integrate from half to 1, where mod of x is equal to x and f of x is equal to 0. So we find that we have three values now, this one for the first interval, and then for the second interval, and 0 for the third one. So simplifying this, we find that we have minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. So the fourth option is correct. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.